Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a 1972 Pontiac Fire Bird Captain America Jada edition. Got cap over there, got star on the side there with these cool wheels. Avengers, some other cars in the line. Alright, let's pop it open. So it's just a blue background. Always have these screws here. Screwdriver handy. Off. So very nice metallic blue. Cool front end. The Avengers some here. These wheels look really good on this one. It's open. See the inside a little bit here. Better light. See the steering wheel, got the bucket seats. So this one, the bottom didn't come apart like the Iron Man one did. Cool link car. I'm not a big fan of the 72 Firebird, really. I think it's alright. But this one looks really good. This is a good looking car. It's definitely Firebird taillights. The Marvel tag. And you can always put it back on the stand if you want. I usually let mine roll. Rolls pretty good. Alright, that is the Captain America 1972 Pontiac Firebird from Jada. It's probably one of my favorites. I like this one a lot. I think it's the wheels, how they're set in. I don't know. Overall, I just dig this one. Thanks for watching the vlog. Have a good day or night wherever you are. Smash that like button. Hit subscribe. Thanks.